morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an exciting one. Today's video is going to be a refrigerator clean and organize with me video. Our refrigerator definitely needs some TLC. I know it's been kind of forever since I posted on this channel. I kind of took a small break because I didn't really know what to film to put on this channel until I realized I haven't done a lot of cleaning. So I thought I would do a video for that. More on why I took a break in another video, but today is the refrigerator cleaning video. So I'm going to basically be taking everything out of the refrigerator, wiping everything down, all of the door, shelving, all of the drawers and things like that. I'm going to wipe everything down and then reorganize the refrigerator to make it all nice and pretty after it gets nice and clean. So I thought I would take you guys along and get some content out for you guys. Look at how much cleaner this looks. I cleaned out the shelves of this door. Look at that. Organized everything. Cleaned all the shelves in here. Just put everything back and it looks so fresh. So clean. For you guys wondering, oh, it's snowing. We're supposed to get a bunch of snow the next 2 days. We were supposed to get slammed with snow, and it's starting to snow as we speak. Fridge looks so much better. That was my number one priority for today, was to clean out the fridge, just make it nice and fresh. It's been a while, so I'm glad I did it today. I definitely enjoy doing it, getting something done productive, and 2 hours before Rizzoli and Isles comes on. But I think I'm going to go on ahead and end this video here. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.